Life-threatening diseases of farm animals. Thretating DISEASES in cattle. Mode of transmissions: acquisition of worms from pastures. Clinical signs: chronic persistent diarrhea, weight loss, reduced appetite, bottle jaw. This feature shows bottle jaw. Preventions and control: type 1 benzimidazole, probensimidazole, levamisole; type 2 albendazole, rebendazole, oxpendazole. Anthelmintic treatment at housing: alter grazing of cattle and sheep, rotational grazing of adult and young stock. Hemoncosis: Hemoncus contortus, sleep cattle and goat. Mode of transmissions: injections of L3 with pasture. Clinical signs: anemia, edema, lethargy, dark color feces, hemorrhagic gastritis, bottle jaw. Preventions and control: anthelmintics, ivermectin, benzimidazole. Use of highly resistant species. Use of highly hygienic pasture. Ascariasis, ascarisum in pig. Mode of transmissions: via feed and water. Injection of earthworm. Clinical signs: young pigs 3 to 4 months age, coughing, chest movements exaggerated, retarded growth, antherphy and stunted, pneumonia, diarrhea and fat belly. Preventions and control: anthelmintics, ivermectin, levamisole, benzimidazole. Hygienic in feedings and beddings. Syngemosis, Syngemostrachea, domestic fowls, pheasant and partridges. Mode of transmissions: injections of L3 containing eggs, injections of transport hosts, earthworms. Clinical signs: pneumonia, coughing, anemia, emaciation. Preventions and control: treatment prophylaxis, manual removal of adult worm, prevent rearing of young birds with adult, keeping the yard dry and clean. Capillariosis: Capillaria obsignata, Capillaria contorta, chicken and turkeys. Mode of transmissions: injection of earthworm by chicken. Clinical signs are emaciations, diarrhea, mild, poor weight gain, lowered eggs productions can be seen. Preventions and control: anthelmintics treatment, levamisoles, housing birds after treatments should be done. Thank you very much for watching my videos.